Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4 and this is by Majorette. So usually when they are going with this tin case here, it is a deluxe edition. I'm not sure if this comes under deluxe edition because I want to open and see whether the chassis is metal or plastic. So usually for deluxe edition they go with a full metal uh, car, like metal chassis, metal body and everything, and rubber tires and all. So this doesn't look like it, but let's open and see. And okay, so here I'm not going to save this particular card because anyway we have this. The really good aspect of Majorette when it comes to these kind of things, they put that artwork in that tin here. That looks really beautiful. So the tin doesn't have anything inside. You can put the car in. I really love the fact they actually went with the entire car this time. So they usually go with that theme on that box instead of the entire car. So this time they given this. It's really nice. Let me just put this aside and throw this one away. Okay, let me just throw all of this away. Okay, so here it is. So if you guys remember, we did unbox this uh, Jada's, I don't know what is, pink slips, right? So we did unbox one Countach some time back. So again, those are by Majorette only. Those are not specifically Jada is making. So it is a rebrand of Majorette only. So it is this exact casting. So I just wanted to point that one out. So good thing again, acrylic headlights. The logo placement is really nice. And even the definition on the logo, it looks really good. That's what I really love about Majorettes. So it has engine detailing here. You can see a little bit. So they went with transparent plastic here. That is really nice. Okay, so this one is metal body, plastic chassis, and plastic wheels. So it has taillight details as well. The Lamborghini logo here looks really good. So it has exhaust details here, and it has opening parts here. You can open it. So you can see the interior here looks really good. Let me just show you in this angle. Yeah, that does look really nice. I personally prefer that version, they did for Jada because of the maybe the color scheme, I guess, and that looked more lively compared to this particular version. And for on this one, I'm facing a little bit of spring issue here. I'll just keep this one out like in this way, maybe here inside. Let's see. So it has good detailing. So if you're so don't go for this specific version. If you're able to get that pink slip version, or there is one more version in Majorette itself they are doing, so get those versions because this is just the cop version in Dubai, right? So I personally don't like this one. I mean, don't like the cop badge on it because of the color scheme, to be honest. So if it is like a black and blue kind of thing, I would really love that one. So this one doesn't really, this is not really my uh, cup of tea, this particular color scheme. So see that this is suspension. It is stiff on the rear and soft on the front. Okay, so the ground clearance a little bit off. It is a little bit elevated because of the suspension they are giving. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 34 grams, not bad. Okay, let's see if it rolls. Actually, Majorette doesn't roll really well. This rolls at least good. So wheels wobble a lot, specifically the rear wheel wobbles a lot. Front wheel also wobbles a lot, but still it rolls good. That is better. So it's overall it's a good casting, not great. So if no on the rating aspect, okay, it does have all the detailing to it, and it does roll good as well compared to other Majorettes. So this issue is specific to mine because I do have one more of this exact casting. I don't have any issue with that one. So I'm not going to take any points for this because it's not a common issue. So I really do want to take 0.5 for the set of wheels they went with. This really doesn't look good. It looks like shit. So 9.5 out of 10. But rest everything is good. So I don't see any issue with it. No issue with paint job or anything. What is this here? Some dust here. Okay. I don't see any issue with anything apart from that. Even this one is not an issue, but for me personally, I don't like the set of rims. It is too basic. So yeah, it doesn't suit the casting, to be honest. That's the reason I'm taking that 0.5 out of 10. So 9.5 out of 10. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.